Good Friday morning. The winds are coming from right over here, and they're variable about how fast they're blowing, maybe up to 10. We got the Hawker Hurricane out. This is the second after crash flight. I added a little more weight to the front. Further ado, let's get her up.
Gear up.
It's flying nice. That's hands off. Not going to slow it down much more than that in the turn because it is a warbird. Warbirds like to go. It doesn't seem tail heavy at all. It seems perfect. I just love the looks of this plane. Get tower buzz. Goes full speed, going away. Slow her down. Full speed going the other way. It's got decent speed. It's kind of far away. I don't think I'll fly it that far away again.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Short turn. I don't like the wind coming to my back. Ah. Alright, you gotta land this fast. It's a warbird. Land it like I did the pits. Everything will be cherry cherry. This ground is rough. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Gear down. Time remaining 3 minutes. Takeoff flaps. Timer stop.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Wasn't bad. Like I said, man, I got crosswind here, so I mean I let a point in the wind after I landed. That was fun. Looks good. Woohoo! I was excited. Sorry.
Throttle cut off.
I should fly this in proper British form. There you can see where I had to glue that right there because the wings are separated a little bit, but man, she flew great. Holy cow. Ah, I was never so excited in my life to fly a plane after. When you look at that crash video and you see how badly this thing was crashed, to think that all I did is I had to get a new horizontal and rudder and a spinner and prop, of course, and a fuselage. because I was going to try to repair the fuselage, but it would have been too wonky. Still using the same wing. Whew. Same motor. Holy cow, man. I'm just so I don't know what to say. I'm shaking. It's like everything else will be gravy today. There you go. The Dynam Hawker Hurricane lives to fly again and fight again. Yeah, I don't like that gap there. The new fuse had a gap in it, but that's probably the old version 1 fuse on the Dynam plane. But to me, that gap is perfect. I probably have a total of, I'm guessing maybe 3 ounces in the nose. I put 3 ounces right there under that little vent there on the top of the fuse, and it made it feel heavier, but all I'm going to fly it on is 4 cells 2200s. There you go. The flight of the Phoenix. That's what we're going to call that Hawker Hurricane, man. It's the Phoenix. It lives to fight again. Right, Tuco? It's hot. It's in the 80s. It's about 11 o'clock.